Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a notification about upcoming railway crossings on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on this menu icon that can be found in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings, that's the third option. Click on Notifications within the General sections. Now scroll down a bit until you can find the Railway Crossing section. Tap on it, and here you can enable this feature by tapping on the button on the right side at the top. You can also select the sound notification, and then you can select the sound at this section, and here you can select the warning in advance, and you can set the distance on this slide. So you will get a warning to inform you about the upcoming railway crossing. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.